There is a simple way to make it really easy for players to give you wishlists after they played your demo. I will show you a quite simple way to reach the wishlist button on your Steam page by simply adding one right into your game. This tutorial is specific for Unity, but the link should work for any game engine. First we make a new script, we can call it wishlist button. Next we create a public function, that way we will be able to call it with our UI button. We will call application.openurl and we simply pass a link to our store page. Now if we want to scroll down to our purchase section, which is where the wishlist button is set, we can add this part to our link. Now next part is not necessary but nice to have, and it's specifically useful when you have a Steam SDK implemented into your project. We check if Steam Manager is initialized, so if the player is running the demo from Steam. Copy the very same line of code, but we will add this part to the front of our link. This way we can open the link to your Steam store page right from the in-game Steam browser. As a bonus, you can add a nice sound effect when the function is called. To set it up in Unity, create a button in your canvas, add this texture and resize the button to its size so it looks nice. Add our script to the button and create a new onClick event. Now find our public function and set it up. Let's see how it works. You can add this to place where players will easily find it, like main menu or demo finishing screen. If I helped you with this video, leave a like and subscribe. If you wish to support me, check our game on Steam or buy me a coffee. Meanwhile, I wish you a wonderful day.